Alright, so here's part 2 of the Tadano unboxing. If you haven't watched the first part, Tadano Americas has opened up a shop, and they sent me these 2 models. To unbox for y'all. And I don't have any Tadano models in the collection, so these are the first 2. It's not that I don't want any, I just haven't gotten any. This is the GTC-2000 telescopic crawler. It's brand new, it just came out this year. And I think that one is brand new too, but I'm not sure. I haven't really seen much about this one, so I'm assuming it's brand new. As you can see, this box is much bigger than that other crane, so the model must be bigger. I want to say this is a 200-ton crane. Might have it on the box. You don't really say, but right here is where these came from. I'll have a link in the description. So, Tadano America's shop. So, I don't know much about these Tadano cranes because I don't really see them around, and I haven't been around many except for a rough terrain crane. So here's your counterweights. Here's your auxiliary winch. It does have a locking brake. Here's your hanging weight. Most models come with now. Manufacturer plate. Metal. Just to keep tension on the hook. The pliers and tweezers, which are actually pretty nice quality. The last time I seen a model come with tools was the 18,000 and 16,000. So, well, in the Mammoth PTC, but here's a car body weight. This would be a toolbox, storage box. Here's your winch keys, your boom cylinder key tool, your undercarriage box, this one actually has a slot inside it. You can put like a chain or something in it, rigging. This one comes a short fixed jib. Wrapped up pretty good. It's taped. Little short jib. It can be adjusted, the cylinders, so you can offset it. metal pulleys, sheaves. And here's some pins, ladder. This is a pretty big telescopic crawler model. Got weight to it. The crawlers are really big, as you can see. Swings really easy. The tracks also slide out. It makes it really, really wide. It's pretty cool. Very detailed. The screw down jacks, you can take these tracks off for load. Jacks screw down. You fold up, you can swing them in and transport. Pretty big model, very detailed. The hook it's a 3-sheave block, so you can put 7 parts on it if you want. I'll probably get a review of these here soon. Here's the GTC-2000. Looks really nice. Like I said, I'll have a link in the description. You can go and get these. It's a Tadano company store in the Americas. And these are from IMC. I'm pretty sure they're both brand new. I haven't seen much of that one, so I'll try and get a review of these up here soon. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.